So I didn't see any videos online, so I thought I'd go ahead and make my own and to try and help some people out. I got a check engine light, and it was a P1253, which is a faulty the variable valve timing oil pressure switch, which is here is the VTEC solenoid right behind this filter, and then it's hard to see because it's kind of dark, but right there. Right here, like I said, I don't know if you can see it, where my hand is, that's the oil pressure switch. We're going to be changing that out. I don't really know, I've never changed one of these before, but it looks pretty easy. Now this is on a 98 Civic EX, but it should work for most mid to late 90s Hondas. This is our new part. I'll show you what I mean by easy. Let me see here. Here's the new part. Here's your connection. Here's the threads where it screws in, 7/8 nut. So disconnect that, screw it back in. Looks pretty simple. So that's what we're gonna do. Now the first thing you want to do is we're gonna go ahead. Anytime I work on wires or shit like that, I just like to play it safe and disconnect the negative battery terminals. So, and where's our 10? There's our 10. Okay. So, I don't think this is on here that tight actually. Go ahead and just disconnect this. Yeah, it's not even on there that tight. I just took it off recently, so there we go. That's disconnected. Okay. So to disconnect this, God, it's so dark down there. Can't even really see it. Is there a light I have? Anything? No? Well, regardless, you can kind of see it here. Here it is right here. There's just this little clip that holds it in. So you're gonna push down on that clip. This with the other one. And you're just gonna, and it comes off. So press on that clip, it comes off, and then we have a 7/8 nut. So we get our big ass 7/8 wrench. I don't know why it's so big. It's a pretty big wrench. So hit this and just make sure you can see that. All right. So and it's not even on there that tight. So got that loosened. Just unscrew, and there's a little itty bitty bit of oil coming out. Not that much though. So there's the old one, and here. Oh no, that's the new one. Take this little plastic cover off the threads, and all you do. Screw it back in. Simple as that. So, just hand thread it in there. Again, I apologize, there's really not that much light, so you can't really see it, but hand thread it. It doesn't need to be on there super tight, so just kind of snug it on there. Unfortunately, you can't get a ratchet and a socket on this, so you have to use an open-ended wrench. It's really the only way to tighten this. Oh, get on there. Flip it around. There we go. Like I said, it doesn't have to be on there super tight, but just on there. And just one more. Yeah, that'll do it. So that's on there. All we're gonna have to do is reconnect it. So, boom. There you go. Simple as that. So So let me go ahead and turn it on and see if it fixed it. Now the issue I have, it's either that oil pressure switch or the whole VTEC solenoid. So if the check engine light still comes on, then I know. Wait. Let me reconnect the battery. That might help. Just get that on there. Where's the socket? Here we go. So, it's on there good. I'll go back and retighten it some more, but so the check engine light might still come on, but that's okay. All I'm trying to show is just how to change the part. So I don't have to actually, you don't have to actually turn the car on, but this freaking keys. There we go. Nope, it's off. Well, I guess it worked then. And that's how you change the variable valve timing oil pressure switch in a 98 Civic EX. Again, pretty sure this will work on an Accord as well. Thanks for watching. Again, I apologize about the lighting. Next time I will get a light and shine it in there so you guys can see. I just didn't have one lying around. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time.